Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at DXY on a daily time frame, and today is Friday. So get ready for price action volatility. Today, what we wanted to see is not closing under 101.80 like we did yesterday, and then today we want to close either sideways or up. And I'm looking for the upside to play out because we have multiple bullish divergences. Rejecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times off the 21 EMA. Today would be a great day to claim the 21 EMA and find it as support for continuation into next week. As long as this week we close today before 4 o'clock around this 101.70, 101.80 area, I would be looking for continuation next week to the upside. If we lose this 101 level and close under it, then obviously we can look for us to possibly go to the 90s next week, like 96, 98. But if not, we will go sideways here and look for upside on a daily time frame. What I was talking about on a weekly, let me just show you real quick and then we'll get out of here. I was looking for this week to confirm as sideways and support, and then we were looking for continuation next week into 103.30 and beyond. Sorry about that. So that's what I'm looking for. Also, I can see the bullish divergence on MACD histogram as well as RSI, showing that as long as we close in this region and above, a little bit of bearish divergence will be sitting in on a weekly time frame for continuation into that 103 next week, hopefully. Now, keep in mind all these EMAs are crossing to the downside, so I mean this downward move that we had was warranted, but now we can use this as a magnet for price action to W out of here. All right, now let's go to a daily on Bitcoin. As this consolidates and decides to go up, which is what we're expecting, you should be looking for consolidation and downside on our other assets. So, wow, Bitcoin's at 28,000. That's shocking. Bitcoin and ETH both taking downward momentum moves. Here it is on a daily, coming right into our previous order block, which we were expecting. My alert still has not gotten hit over here at 27.4, 27.5. And the long that I'm looking for over here at 27K is looking nicer and nicer for a support test on a daily time frame for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes sideways here, that's great, but I do think that coming back into 29,000 will be a little bit of resistance for this little head and shoulder setup that's going on. But if we can grind out 27K to 28K and accumulate here and go sideways, wait for oscillators to cool off, get that bullish divergence building, then we can probably break on up above and take out new highs. But right now, you got to keep in mind that until this EMA crosses the 21 EMA, we're looking for sideways consolidation. But the fact that price action is underneath, we can use this level as a potential shorting opportunity. So 29K to 29.6 is a potential short opportunity. Long opportunity is around 27,000-ish. So 27,000 to 26.5 basically is where I would be looking for that long scalp. And yeah, that's what I will be looking for moving forward on Bitcoin. Let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So you do see on MACD that you have a possible crossover occurring after oversold conditions on RSI as well, but you have to hold this 200 EMA for that to come into fruition. So the warning will be at 28,300. If you can hold that level 28.2, 28.3 with the 4-hour open and close, you will probably look to test into this 29K and look for higher after, but at least 29K, and see if you consolidate here for a while, then break out. But uh, losing this 28.2 will quickly give you an alert at my 27.4, and then after that 26. So be aware that you have $1,000 moves to the downside. 1,000 over here, 27.4 for my warning, and then another $1,000 at 26.4 for a potential long scalp opportunity before looking for us to retest back the breakdown around 28K. So just watch this as the day unfolds. Right now, we are in the bearish control zone. We are under the 200 EMA on a 4-hour time scale. So this is not the signal of strength, but if we get accumulated here, the reversion to the mean trade will be nice, probably all the way to 29K. So basically, you got $1,000 pop coming from the bottom of the range to the middle of the range, and another $1,000 pop from 29 to 30K for the top of the range. It's probably like 30,500 ish. So we have that alert up there as well. As you can see, we have an alert here, we have an alert here, basically outlining the range of this price action, and we want to take trades off of them and not in the middle. We will take profit in the middle though. If we take this short, we want to take profit in the middle. If we take this long, we want to take profit in the middle and move our stop to profit and let the stop loss run while this thing goes outside the range or not. So that's what we are looking for on Bitcoin. Now let's go to our best friend, ETH. There you go. Here's ETH on a daily time frame. All that ETH unlock, happening, um, upgrade, all that excitement already dissipating pretty quickly. That's sad. We're crossing into the midpoint. You are getting a MACD crossover. So on a daily time frame, it's looking for a little bit more downside. As I was telling other people, I'm looking for first this 1840, 1850 level. If that gets lost, then I'm looking at 1800. If 1800 gets lost, I'm looking at 1780-ish. 1750 to 1780. And I'll be looking to scalp all three of those longs until the 200 EMA gets breached at 1650-ish. So those are the levels I'm looking for on daily on Ethereum. Right now, I would love it for it not to lose 1850, 1860, find support here, close the month here, and look for continuation next month. That would be the ideal scenario. But losing this level can give us a much, much faster move to the downside, which it's not what we want, but it's possible. So you need to be ready for that. I will demonstrate that on a 4-hour time scale. You can see that right now you have bullish divergence on volume. The selling is starting to slow down. You are hitting the bottom of the range, such as the 200 EMA. MACD is tried to cross over twice, failed. This is the third time. So hopefully after the selling is dissipating on this last adventure to the downside, you will get a reversion to the mean trade into about 1950, 1960 area where we broke down out of. Now, keep in mind that in this 4-hour, we can go test all the way to 1880 and still not take a issue. But losing that 1880 on this new 4-hour open and close will be not nice moving forward into New York Open. So please be aware of that. Right now, like on the 4-hour, you are in the bearish control zone. You have a bearish divergence, meaning someone decided to sell very, very hard right here, and now they're following through, liquidating probably all the people, first of all, who bought yesterday at around 2080. Then all the people who had in this 1980 to 1950 range. This was the first leg. Here's your second leg. And now you're getting that last leg down, that third drive of divergence to reset all the oscillators, reset all the overbought conditions. And now you can probably see accumulation in this range or the reversion to the mean trade going back to where we break down out of. So just be looking out for that. You don't want this 4-hour closing under 1880, but wicking down underneath and coming right back above and closing above here will be a sign of strength and a swing failure pattern for you to look for upside into New York Open. So be aware of that moving forward, guys. I don't want you getting trapped and shorting the bottom, but we did expect 3 drives down. This is looking like it's the 3rd drive right now. What we would like to see is a little bit of bullish divergence build up, maybe even on a shorter time frame, so that way we have more confidence in taking our long. Let me entice you with our member time frames. Here's a 15-minute. You can see that there was an opportunity to take a long over here. You already got rejected. And I mean, if you take these kind of longs, you would have your stop loss right underneath. And you already just got not liquidated, but stopped out. But the stop out that's occurring is on lower uh, um, sell volume, meaning people were buying it, and this is showing you the bullish divergence right here as opposed to this point on RSI. So if this RSI close occurs above 1902 on this 15-minute candle, you can look for the next candle to open and look for possible upside. That's if this closes in 6 minutes, but 6 minutes, if it closes outside that Bollinger Band, it'll be looking for a new low past this wick, probably into this area before a reversal. So enjoy waiting 6 minutes for that to occur. Until then, guys, please, 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 if you haven't already, leave me a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications. Spread this video out to whoever is interested in trading and would like to learn a few new tricks. Aside from that, if you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to go over them. Kong Lin, shout out to you. I know you asked me for a few coins. I'll do it in the live session for you and all the members so we can discuss it together as opposed to me trying to translate my thoughts into a quick 5-10 minute video to upload. Um, and yeah, if you guys are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of this video below, alongside all the other affiliate links that I use and recommend. Right now, I just got a partnership with BingX, I got a partnership with OKX, and I got a partnership with, well, we've already been with Bybit, but now I got a partnership with MEXC. So we have 3 exchanges that are giving us zero fee trading with limit orders, or very, very small limit fee for like Bybit is like 0.001, like less than a percent. But yeah, if you are scalping and you want to trade small amounts with limit orders and not pay for the fees, you can do that. Trying to do that same method that I do with market orders will eventually eat out of your profit and, you know, can potentially put you in the hole. So yeah, if you're interested in learning, feel free to join me on the Discord server, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye bye. All the links for the exchanges I'll put in the description of this video. Thank you.